Have you been stuck wondering if mobile notary or remote online notary is the better move for your business in 2025? Well, you're in the right place. What's up, Notary Gang? It's your girl, Stephanie McAfee, your notary business bestie and mentor, back again with another video. Today, we're going to be diving into one of the hottest topics right now in the notary world: mobile notary versus remote online notary. Whether you're brand new to the game or you're ready to level up your services, this video is going to break down the differences, real pros and cons, and which model is going to make you more money, have more of an impact, and provide you more freedom this year. And we're not just talking definitions. We're covering strategy, tech, pricing, what actually works in today's market. So if you want to dominate Google search, serve more clients, get ahead of the curve in 2025, hit that subscribe button, tap that like, and let's get into it. So first up, let's dive into the definition. What is a mobile notary anyway? A mobile notary is a commission notary that travels to you. Now, these are perfect for in-person closings, estate signings, and other high-touch services. What is a remote online notary? A remote online notary, or a RON, meets you via live video. The signer's identity is verified electronically. Signature and seals are digital, and everything is conducted online. It's pretty futuristic, but super legal and secure. Let's dive into the pros and cons of both mobile notary and remote online notaries. First up, let's talk about the pros and cons of mobile notaries. Some pros for mobile notaries are personal face-to-face service, solutions for clients with mobility issues or last-minute needs, and usually this is the only option for complex signings or trust documents. Some of the cons for being a mobile notary are travel time and cost, limited hours in geographic coverage, and higher fees for convenience. Now let's talk about the pros and cons for a RON, or remote online notary. So some of those pros are convenience. You're available 24/7. Someone might need a notary at 3 o'clock in the morning, their time. And if you're awake and available, you can simply hop on that computer, take that RON, and boom, you've got money at 3 o'clock in the morning. You can sign from home, at work, or even in your car, which is one of my favorite places to get those signings done. You have secure audio video sessions with multi-factor ID checks. Usually you have a speedy turnaround with digital sealed and recorded notarial acts. Now, some of the cons for a RON: it requires you to be tech savvy and have access to a high-speed internet. It's not universally accepted. Some states and documents still require in-person signings. There could also be a learning curve with platforms and the legalities in each state. Let me lay it out for you. On the screen, you'll see feature, mobile notary, remote online notary. Your features are going to be what is included in each one of these options. In your features, you're going to have location, convenience, tech needed, record keeping, and fees. Mobile notary section: on-site, in-person, flexible but travel, minimal, physical paperwork, higher due to travel. This comparison will help you decide which service fits the client and your business best. Take a screenshot of this, save it to your computer for later. It's good for you to print this out so you can have it on hand. That way you can do a compare and contrast of which service is best for your client's needs. Speaking of which, let's talk a little bit about which one of these fits your client's needs. For example, if a client is needing a last-minute signing at 8 p.m., it's best to offer RON to this client. You have an elderly client that can't leave home. Again, I would offer RON to this client. You have a multi-page closing with witnesses and loans. This deserves a mobile notary. Someone across states or even in a different country, RON definitely saves the commute. So mixing up these services allows you to serve more clients with ease. It's very important that you stay up to date with your state laws because these laws, they vary from state to state. Some states allow RON fully, while other states are not all the way there yet with the remote online notarization technology. So just be sure to check with your Secretary of State and see what they allow. I want you to comment below, which one do you prefer to offer and why? Mobile, RON, or both? And share your stories. Maybe your worst drive to a signing or your smoothest RON session. Offering both of these services definitely opens up your market. Promote RON for speed and mobile for personal service. Use keywords like mobile notary near me and remote online notary 24/7. Do this to show up in more searches online. If you need help setting this up, click the link below to schedule a 30-minute coaching session with me. Want to learn how to launch or pivot into RON or mobile? Check out the Notary Business Success Blueprint if you're serious about scaling fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your market. I'll give you a custom keyword for your city. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.